One click gives you $50. 2 clicks, $100, and 3 clicks equals $150. With a single click of a button, you will be able to generate money. People in every corner of the world are making money using this technique. And if you're wondering, do you require any prior experience to do it? The answer is no. You just have to ask yourself, do you need your own website? Is it necessary for you to display your face? No, none of this is required, and it's pretty easy. Earning money online has never been easier than it is right now. The expanding internet world has created some unexpected but genuine chances to generate money from the comfort of your own home. And don't worry, you don't need any specific talents or qualifications before you say, on your marks, get set, go. The first and most obvious advantage is that in today's society, no one can live a nice life without having additional sources of income since expenditures are skyrocketing. Earning money online is the ideal option since once you get the hang of it, it's a piece of cake. It may be a little daunting at first, but it will undoubtedly be rewarding as time goes on. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you are notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. So today I would share with you a way to generate money with only one click of a button, and you can do it in an infinite number of times. But before we actually start it, there are some important things you must know. And before I show you where you need to click, let me explain what mockups are and what a mockup design is. So if you go to Google and search for what are mockups, you'll find that a mockup is a static design or a web page or application that has many of its final design components but is not functional. So, for example, a cup or any object has a brand printed on it. A mockup is a visual representation of the final design that is often presented with clients and stakeholders in the interim between a wireframe and a prototype. Wireframes are created and shared to describe the design structure and functional needs. Mockups are wireframes with a surface layer that conveys the visual design, colors, images, typography. A mockup, unlike a prototype, is static and does not incorporate any interactivity. Now, I want you to go to Photos so you can see how it appears. So for the mockup, I'll simply search for mockup design examples because this is essentially the mockup on many various items. I think now you have understood it well. You may be wondering how we are going to earn money per one click right now. Well, you'll see precisely what we'll be doing today. So now that you understand how mockup works and what mockup is, let's go on to step 1. For step 1, I'd want you to come over to the Render Forest and create your account. RenderForest.com is a completely free online tool that will enable you to make various mockups with a touch of a button. This is an outstanding website. The first service which helped you to create, visualize, and implement your ideas. And this is the place where you can finally start to create your own logos. Render Forest will teach you how to present your ideas into logical, laconic, beautiful, rational, and clear way. It is the best tool for creating many things. The main thing which makes this company unique is that they help to make your creations inspiring, influential, motivational, encouraging, meaningful, and valuable. Render Forest Logo Maker enables you to design eye-catching logos in only a few minutes. All you have to do is input your brand name and explain your desired logo in 1 or 2 phrases. Choose one of the 6 available designs and wait for our AI-powered logo builder to generate the logo of your dreams in a fraction of a second. Create eye-catching logos for free with this online logo maker, and just one click of a button may convert it into $50, $100, $150, $200, and so on. However, you will only be able to see how if you follow all of the procedures in this video. If you merely skip this segment or any part of the video, you will most likely be unable to set it up. So before you start generating money, you will need to join up for free to Render Forest, and they do have several pricing options. But you don't have to use it. You will start for free without putting any money up front. So if you look at the price options, you'll see that their free plan is $0. They do, however, offer a variety of mixes that may cost up to $50 a month. But as I previously said, you will not be required to pay for it right now. So all you need to do is join up for absolutely free. Once you do it, go to click on Mockup. There you will see many other options like generate logos, films, websites, design, graphics, and so on. However, I want you to choose Edit Mockup. It will then take you to another page where you may make the greatest mockups online with a single click of a button, adding various logos to different pre-designed templates. If you click on a realistic logo mockup specification, for example, you will see the template that we may utilize. You will also be able to witness that we can add various logos to different locations with a single click of a button for free. For example, if you want to change a mockup, you will open it, upload an example logo, wait till the logo uploads, and now you will see that how it appears after it loads. Now you have a mockup of my own logo. And you can do the same thing with all of these other templates and mockups you can find on this page. It simply takes one click of a button to download it to your PC. And each time you do so, you have the chance to earn more than $50 with just one click of a button. So let me give you another example. If you return to Render Forest, go back to Editing Mockup. You may choose from a variety of mockups. For example, if you want to put anything on a shirt, you may do it. For example, if you want to put your own logo on various t-shirts and mugs, you will need to click on, suppose a t-shirt, open up the template, wait for it to load, and then upload your own picture right on it. Wait till it loads. This was just one click of a button. Simply click Add your picture, wait until it loads, and it will look fantastic. You may now download it and earn money. But how do we really generate money by adding these various designs and generating these mockups with a single click of a button? And how do each of these mockups that you create with a single click of a button get you $50, $100, or $150? As I have told you at the start of the video that there are people who are making tens of thousands of dollars. That will be the next stage towards earning money. There are a couple of methods to earn money from those mockups that are created with a single click. And one of them is to head over to the freelancing website where individuals are prepared to pay hundreds of dollars for each of those mockups. For example, if we go to a freelancing website, we will see that certain people are prepared to spend between $80 and $200 for mockup logos, and some are bidding on a mockup design for $180, and it's probably going to go up. For making it work, you can go to freelancer.com and join up as a freelancer by clicking on I want to work and creating a completely free account in maybe 2 to 5 minutes. And once you've joined, you can start looking for mockup design projects and applying for them. And when people employ you, they pay you. All you have to do is to return to Render Forest and click once on their logo to get the picture. That's the end of it. It's easy, and it just takes one button click. However, it has the potential to earn you a sizable sum of money. And you clearly don't need any prior expertise for this, since you can join up for Freelancer in less than 5 minutes and make those mockups using renderforest.com with a single click of the button. Upwork is another freelancing website you may use to sell the mockup designs you created with a single click of a button. Upwork and freelancer.com are quite similar. So if you go over to these freelancing sites, you can see that many different individuals from all around the globe are already earning a lot of money with this service. So it's undeniably effective. And there are several freelancing websites that you can use with the press of a mouse. So why not give it a try? So you can sign up to many different freelancing websites, including Awkward Freelance, but you can also try Fiverr, Guru.com, PeoplePerHour.com, QuickandGigs.com, and so on and so forth. You can sell this design and this service on many different platforms, and the sign-up process is super simple. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.